Amusement park season is in full swing here at Knoebels in Elysburg, Pennsylvania. This family-owned park that dates back to 1926 has such unique character and old-school charm that keeps bringing visitors back year after year. How's it going, everyone? It's David here, and let's go in to see what Knoebels has to offer here in 2024. Let's go in and try to have some fun. Good morning from Knoebels, or I should say Memory Lane Campground, which is adjacent to Knoebels, literally in walking distance. We're staying here in this cabin right here. Very nice, very cozy, very rustic, but it does have some modern amenities. And this right over here was a trolley that used to be in the park in front of the Phoenix, and it is now turned into a cabin itself. This place is super cool. It's like, it feels like an expansion to Knoebels. Started off our day at Knoebels on the Grand Carousel. Great day, great ride to start off the day. And this guy right here won the brass ring.
Hi, I'm Brian.
How does it feel to get the brass ring?
Fake Brian. I'm
Fake,
so good.
it's Tino.
You guys ready for bumper car action?
Oh yeah.
Woo!
Keep turning to the left, buddy. This way.
It's like covered.
Doing something fairly unusual here for Knoebels opening day. After we did the carousel and the bumper cars, we actually went over to Kiddie Land to do some of their unique attractions that adults can actually ride. We did Old Smoky, which is a miniature steam train that's not always open, so if you do see that open, definitely try to make some time out of your day to ride that. We also did the S&G Carousel, which is a legitimate carousel that often gets overlooked because of the Grand Carousel. And then we also did the Panther cars, which it may look silly, but honestly, it makes you feel like a little kid. And yes, adults can ride it. It's a really cool, unique kiddie car ride. Right here is where the Power Surge used to be. However, Knoebels have just purchased a newer, more permanent Power Surge that will probably be up either later this year or next year. An update here on the Bayern Kurve. It still hasn't changed much since last year. Hopefully this does open eventually. Impulse got a new paint job, and the colors definitely pop. Those supports are like a neon green. The Old Mill ice cream stand is celebrating its 50th year here at the park. And no, this is not the Old Mill dark ride. It has always been an ice cream stand, but it is presented very nicely. That's cool. Can't come to Knoebels without a ride on the classic Haunted Mansion, which last year had its 50th anniversary. And during that, they did a lot of new stunts. They restored some old stunts. They added a on-ride photo. And even this season, I noticed a couple of new minor changes. I love how Knoebels keeps up with their dark rides. Just rode Black Diamond, and that is such a weird but cool dark ride. I guess you could count it as a roller coaster. It's gravity powered. It has 2 significantly big drops. It was made by the Philadelphia Toboggan Company. It actually came from Dinosaur Beach over in New Jersey. Knoebels bought it, completely enclosed it, and rethemed it. It's really cool. I noticed some effects were missing, but towards the end there was actually some new effects, including a new water effect. Still enjoy Black Diamond, one of my favorite rides here. Just had our ride here on the Phoenix, and I'm here with Jonathan from Rampaging Rex. How was your row 3 ride on Phoenix in the rain?
I ascended to a higher plane of existence in row 3.
As he said earlier, our depression is cured.
Just like that. That's the power of Phoenix. It releases the dopamine.
I don't know what it is, but I love riding Phoenix in the rain. It is so slick and so fast, especially on those turns. You were flying even into the brake run on that. It's a classic wood coaster by Herb Schmeck. Moved here from Playland Park. Fantastic story of preservation. I'm so happy it's here. And it's running in the condition that it's in.
Excellent.
It looks like this car ran out of gas. The kiddie go-karts over by the Phoenix have been removed, and it looks like right here is where they are going to be building the new Rocco plane. As you can see, the pieces are already here, and it will most likely be up and running later this summer. Just got off of a rain ride on the now 25-year-old Twister. That ride is running better than ever. I know they did a lot of track work last year. They did more this year. That is running so good. Controversial opinion, I think that is running just as good, if not a little better than Phoenix. I know, that might be sacrilege, but in the moment, that's how I'm feeling right now. Twister is so good. Please do not sleep on this ride. Just got off of the Stratosphere. Absolutely love these arson drop towers. You get some serious good airtime on them.
Around and around that wheel knows where it stops first. You're gonna find out. So let's go for a big number like 20 or a silver token.
Absolutely love Fascination, and I won 6 games today. Definitely my personal best.
Not really good for anything that. Well, we have to do like
This is a quality attraction.
Yeah, I actually like this.
I love Ferris wheel. Perfect. that's going to do it from our day here at Knoebels. But it's not done yet, as we have ERT tonight on Twister and Phoenix as part of Western New York Coaster Club.
ERT!
And that's going to do it here from opening day at Knoebels. My goodness, one of the best days I had here. There was a little bit of rain in the afternoon, and it was on the chilly side, but that did definitely deter from the crowds. It was not busy here at all. Got on plenty of rides. And we had ERT, did 7 rides on the Twister and 6 rides on the Phoenix. Fantastic way. And here
Fantastic ERT. What's up, brother?
It absolutely was. Spending here the day with friends, you really can't beat it. So, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it and subscribe for more content.
Ring that bell. Ring the
And with that being said, thank you all for riding, and I'll see you next time.